First, create a new folder and rename it as Precedent or any other name which you prefer. Retrieve the soft copies of the standard documents and letters which you intend to use as your precedents. Upon retrieving the said soft copies, put them into the said precedent folder. Thereafter, type or add the relevant variable name or code in one of the standard documents and letters to create the precedent. For the purpose of this tutorial video, the other relevant variable name or code have been typed or added at the relevant parts in the precedent. Save the precedent as a Word document under a name which is easily identifiable. Repeat the process of typing or adding the similar variable name or code for other standard documents and letters.